Welcome to my channel where I speak with the broken English, but the food tastes delicious, delicious, delicious. Today, my daughter and I are going to make this delicious recipe with the leftovers from our pernil. If you're having a party and you make pernil and you don't know what to do with all that meat that is around the bone, shred it and make a new recipe. Ropa vieja, we call it in Spanish. Why? Because it's old clothing. Make something new with something old. Let's make this recipe step by step.
If you have any leftover pernil from Thanksgiving, here's a recipe you can follow. We have diced up tomatoes, some chopped up red onions and yellow onions, some diced up garlic, some cumin peppers, and a teaspoon of tomato paste, along with our shredded pernil. We're gonna add a tablespoon of olive oil. I meant to say 2. Now that our oil is hot, we're going to add our vegetables to the saute. Make sure you add everything but the tomatoes. Now halfway through sauteing, we're going to add our shredded pernil. Now that we've been sauteing for a minute, we're going to add our tomatoes and our tomato paste. Now that we're incorporated, we're going to add half a cup of water. And we're incorporating real good. And if you feel at any point that it gets too dry, you can add more water. And we let this cook for 5 to 8 minutes. This is our finished project.
Thank you for staying to the end. Thank you for putting up with my broken English. At least my daughter English is not broken, her Spanish is. Thank you for putting up with us today, and I hope you enjoyed this recipe because me and my daughter really enjoy this bonding time together. And this channel, you might see me one day making a recipe, you might see me and my kids, or you might see my kids. But in this family, we all enjoy making meals together because what a better time to spend time with your kids on the holidays or on the vacation or whenever you have the time. Squeeze in some time and share with your kiddos. God bless, and I see you in the next recipe. If you haven't subscribed, subscribe because you're missing a lot if you haven't subscribed to this channel. Thank you.